We asked the 999 operator if they could help someone use an AED and get the code to access it if it's in a locked cabinet.
Yeah, so we've got, we can tell them where the defibrillators are, so if there's more than one bystander we'll send another person to go and get the defibrillator, and then to be honest, the defibrillators have a lot of instructions on them, so we tell them how to get them out and how to place them on the patient, but then the defibrillator obviously actually speaks to them and tells them what they're doing. So I feel like when there's a defibrillator involved, you're mainly just monitoring what the defibrillator is doing, because the callers are then focused on listening to the defibrillator, so you're essentially just monitoring that situation. But you do need to tell them how to get it out and put it on the patient, everything like that. Yeah, so we have access to the codes, so it gives us a set of different defibrillators within close proximity of the area, so we can tell them where it is, and then we just provide them with the code to get it out and put it back.